Hey there, everybody. I'm Fotoman. Well, at least I try to sound like what Batman would sound when I say I'm Fotoman, and because he says I'm Batman like that. So anyway, enough with the comedy. We are at the Rossdale Brewery in Edmonton that was built in 1905. A really cool building with a lot of history. I'm going to put the history from Hermes, the historical resource site, in the description so that you can read that. It's been, probably about 6 different breweries over the years and a whole bunch of stuff. There was an electrical company in there at one point, garage and things like that. But a really cool piece of history in Edmonton and a really cool building. When I was up there doing the video, it has been listed for construction for condos. So they're not going to knock it down because they can't. It's a historical building, but they are going to renovate it into condos. So that's going to be really cool because they'll keep the actual building and the history behind it. As always, thanks for joining the channel and watching the videos and everything like that. It is greatly appreciated.